For this experiment, we will need polystyrene foam. In some countries, it's called anime, and acetone, a solvent which is found in nail polish remover. To release the experiment, we will need to follow the next steps. Firstly, we need to find a small container which will be used during the experiment. Following this, place the acetone inside the small container. Then we carry out the purpose, which is basically to slowly immerse the polystyrene foam inside the acetone, and that's all for the procedure.
I am Marina, and today I'm going to explain the most important factors or some basic information about the polyethylene foam, which is going to be our main component in the experiment that we're going to use, that we're going to reproduce with the acetone. Now, the polyethylene foam is a valuable cell thermoplastic foam material made up of ethylene monomers linked together like regular plastic, and this material is made of 90% oxygen. This type of foam is resistant to air, moisture, and chemical penetration. Now, their structure makes them stronger, denser, and more rigid than the open cell foams. They are impact resistant and highly resilient. They have a low thermal conductivity. They're soft, non-abrasive, and they are resistant during dusting. Now, they also have a weird property that they permit and they let bacteria and molds to grow between their cells. However, there are actually different types of the polyethylene foam. We have two: the LDPE, meaning they have a low density, and these foams are lightweight, elastic, water resistant, and they are cheaper. And we have the HDPE, meaning they have a high density, which they are tougher and they are stronger to work with. Now, the prices about the PE foam can change because of different factors, such as the foam thickness, the foam density, the fire resistance, shape, size, color, and if they are self-adhesive or non-self-adhesive. Now, this is all the information that we need to know about the ethylene foam. The polyethylene foam. Now I'm going to show you the real live demonstration about the experiment.
Hi, my name is Lisette Moreno, and I'm going to talk about acetone. Acetone is a chemical that can be found naturally in the environment or can also be produced artificially. It is a colorless liquid with a distinctive odor and flavor. It evaporates easily into the air. It's flammable and dissolves in water. Its chemical name is propanone.
Hello, my name is Ana Paula Cantú, and I am going to explain why does this reaction happens. So, styrofoam dissolves in acetone on a similar way on how the sugar dissolves in water. Compared to water, acetone is a non-polar solvent, and styrofoam is made from polystyrene and foam. Due to the similar polarities they have, acetone can dissolve the carbohydrogen bonds that are on the styrofoam. This is a physical rather than a chemical reaction. This because the air in the foam leaves, and because the styrofoam consists mainly of air, when it dissolves in acetone, it completely loses its structure.
Well, the results that we got on this experiment was not expecting that happened that, but we're gonna put the original result that we want to prove, and our topic is the evidence in chemical reactions, that physical evidence that you can see, you can perceive. Well, in this experiment, it's supposed to happen a reaction when you put this material on this type of solution. The material, it was supposed to dissolve in it, but in my case, the material after some minutes, and I need to force it, after some minutes that I put this material on this solution, the material was not like this rigid like it was at first. It was solid at first, and you can like make it like this and it was broken. But then after that, after I put this material in the solution, I can stretch it a little bit and it won't broke. Like in the first stage that I mentioned, like you can stretch it like this or stretch it like this and will broke. But after that I put in the solution this material, then I can stretch it a little bit. In some of my partners experiment, they didn't see a lot of reaction, a lot of evidence, but we search, we investigate, and it was supposed to happen another evidence, another reaction. But yeah, it occurred another reaction that we didn't expect, but occurred something. In conclusion, like, we can perceive evidence in some experiments that has a chemical reaction, and yeah, sometimes it can include change in color, odor, or consistency. In this case, consistency in the matter. First was solid, then it was a little bit type of slimy. I don't know how to describe it, but yeah, that was like a sum up of this experiment video. So thank you very much.